Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to restore purchases in the Tempo app step by step. Tempo is a powerful and creative video editing app that lets you make music sync edits, reels and short clips using premium features. And if you have previously purchased a subscription or premium pack and need to restore it, whether you've changed devices, reinstalled the app or updated the Tempo, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, unlock your phone and open to the Tempo app. And next, tap on the profile icon, usually located on the bottom right, and this will open to your account page. And inside the profile page, you need to look for the Pro icon. Over there on the top right, select to the Pro. And over here, once you reach into this interface of the Pro, again in the top right there's an option for the restore. Simply tap on the restore, and after tapping the restore purchases, Tempo will check for any past transaction linked to your Apple ID or your Google account, and if there are eligible purchases like premium subscription, the app will restore them automatically. And that's it. That is how you can restore your purchases in the Tempo app quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.